Welcome to Coding with Britt. Together, over the next series of videos, we're going to be building a resume website. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the starter files to your computer and open them up in VS Code. Hopefully you've downloaded VS Code already. If you haven't, please pause this video and download VS Code. But if you have, that's awesome. We are going to download these files so we can get started, and we will open them up together. This video in particular is showing you how to do this on Mac, so iOS. If you are using a PC, we will have another video that will show you how to do this on a PC or using Windows. So I am going to click on this resume website folder inside the Google Drive. If you clicked the link in the description, it should bring you here to this Google Drive. So we're clicking resume website, and then we're going to click this arrow button here to download the files. And it's going to zip up the files and download them. And we'll just wait a moment until that's complete. Perfect. And the files will open automatically in your Finder. If they do not, you can actually click where you saw that download complete, and then it will bring you to the Finder and where those files are downloaded. If those two options don't work, you can open up your Finder and click on your downloads and locate the resume website that way. Okay, so Mac automatically unzips these files or these folders for us, so that's awesome. We don't have to do anything else here. We're going to open up Visual Studio Code. So locate that on your computer. It might be in your applications folder, or you can use this little search icon here at the top and search for Visual Studio Code and open it up. Once you have Visual Studio Code open, you're going to want to open that resume website folder, the entire folder inside of Visual Studio Code. So we are going to go File and then Open Folder. And then we're going to go to our downloads. And we are going to click on Resume Website, and we are going to click Open. Okay, awesome. Now you should see a couple of different folders inside of here and a file. This index.html file, that is the first file that we're going to be working in. But if we take a moment to explore the other files, we also have an images folder. Okay, this is the folder that we're going to drop all of our images into that we'll be using on our website. We have a JavaScript folder with a main.js file. This is where we're going to be writing all of our JavaScript. And then we have a styles folder with a styles.css file, and that is where we're going to be writing all of our CSS. So once you have this open, you are ready to move to the next video.